Hello children. I hope you are doing well. Let's learn today's new topic, that is helping words. In the last video, we learnt about sight words and action words. Today we are going to learn describing words. Describing words are used to give information about people, place, things, or even actions. After this activity, you will be able to frame small sentences. Be ready with your worksheet number 6 and 7, a pencil, an eraser, and a sharpener. Activity 3. Let's practice the describing words given in the next slide from worksheet number 6. Children, repeat each word after me. Thick, long, pretty, wet, thin, silly, weak, fat, clever, hot, slow, blue, strong, big, short, cold, dirty, sticky, nice, soft, hard, white, tall, small, huge, scary, pink, happy, cute, round, red, little, kind, smart, warm, dull, boring, long, young, beautiful, large, warm, muddy, ugly, upset, calm, quick, wise, energetic, bright, comfortable, handsome, powerful. All these words are describing words. These words help us to read sentences. Activity 2 from worksheet number 7. Read the passage to practice the describing words. Bobby is my little cat. He is 1 year old. He is brown. He is very cute. He likes to play around the house. He loves to play fetch with me. He can play it all day long. He is very smart. His favorite place to sleep is under my desk. But sometimes he sleeps in the kitchen. He loves to drink milk a lot. He is very good and funny cat. I love him. Identify the describing words from the passage. Children, can you identify the describing words? Yes, All the words in green are describing words. Little, old, brown, cute, smart, good, funny. Let's fill in the blanks and tick the correct answer related to the passage. Fill in the blanks with the help of the passage given in the previous slide. Bobby is my dash cat. Bobby is my little cat. His favorite place to sleep is dash. His favorite place to sleep is under my desk. He is very dash. He is very smart. He loves to drink dash a lot. He loves to drink milk a lot. He is very dash and dash cat. He is very good and funny cat. Tick the correct answer for the questions. What color is the cat? Brown, pink, yellow. Hope you can identify the correct answer. The cat's color is brown. What does the cat like to play? Frisbee, fetch, ball. The cat likes to play fetch. Where does the cat like to sleep? Under the desk, in the kitchen, all of them. Cat likes to sleep under the desk. Home play is practice the words at least 3 times. Read the passage and complete the activity 2 and 3 from the worksheet number 7. Thank you.